What's up guys, Abhishek here. After a long time, today we are going to create this amazing cinematic intro in Filmora X. Let's dive into today's tutorial. First of all, we are going to create text video file. For that, first click on import and import all video files. Click on titles, drag and drop default title on track 1. Double click on it and click on advanced. Then change font to Bad Boys and enter your text and increase text spacing to 10 and font size to 100 and align its position to center upward. Then add another text and change your text. Then change font and increase text spacing to 5 and then reduce its size and align its position. Now change text fill to image fill and select image provided in this pack. Do the same with second text as well. Now take a screenshot of it and delete this text from timeline. Now drag and drop taken screenshot on track 1, double click on it and go to video and decrease scale to 70%. Now go to effects and search for sharp effect and apply it on clip. Go to project media and drop map final clip on track 2 and reduce its duration and keep it 7 seconds long. And increase screenshot clip duration as well. Double click on track 2 clip and change blending mode to overlay and align y-axis position according to you. Now go to animation and reduce scale to 80%. Do the same with track 1 clip. Now place playhead at the end position of clip and increase scale back to 100% on both clips. Now click on export and give name to it and set all value at higher side and export it. Then delete both these files from timeline and import created text video file clip. Now drop background clip on track 1, then drop text video file clip on track 2 and reduce background clip duration. Double click on text video file, go to video and change blending mode to lighten and align its y-axis position. Then place playhead at 1 second position and split text video file and shift cut portion on track 3. Click on effect and search for square blur and apply it on track 3. Double click on it and go to animation and add keyframe at 20th frame. Now place playhead at 1 second position and decrease opacity to 70%. Now select clip on track 2 and decrease opacity to 0. Again place playhead at 1 second position and increase opacity back to 100. Now again decrease background duration. Now drop particle on track 5 and decrease duration. Double click on it and change blending mode to screen. Now drop blur vignette clip on track 4 and decrease its duration as well. Now drop flare clip on track 6, double click on it and change blending mode to lighten and decrease duration. Now go to effect section and apply cinematic bar and let's export it. So export is done. Now let's play it. So guys, this is how you can create further clip as long as you want. If you want to download these files, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get access. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button, and if you can, please share this video. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, stay safe, goodbye and Jai Hind.